Hello friends, welcome to my channel Infothing Daily Banking in Financial News Awareness YouTube channel. Today date is 19th February, Wednesday. Today our news item is Pmfby, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So this is the insurance scheme for farmers. Government approved some changes in this scheme. We will see in detail. Friends, before moving on to this topic, if you are watching first time our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification to your mobile. Friends, our channel you can follow in Telegram app also. So the Telegram app link also given in description. Friends, first I will explain briefly on this Pmfby scheme. So in April 2016, the Government of India had launched this Pmfby, which means Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, in short form Pmfby. After rolling back the earlier insurance scheme, which are National Agriculture Insurance Scheme (NAIS), Weather Based Crop Insurance Scheme, and Modified National Agriculture Insurance Scheme (MNAIS). At present, Pmfby is the only flagship scheme for government agricultural insurance in India. Basically, it is an insurance cover for food crops, which is millets and pulses, oil seeds, annual commercial. These crops are under covers under this scheme. The scheme is mandatory for farmers who have taken institutional loans from banks. It is optional for farmers who have not taken institutional credit. And now we will see the what type of risks are covered under this scheme. The scheme covers yield loss and post-harvest loss and localized calamities. These risks are covered under this insurance scheme. Let me see premium rates on Pmfby. The rate of insurance charges applicable the rate of insurance charges payable by the farmers for kharif crops. The farmer's part of premium is 2% of the sum assured. And now we will see the Rabi's. The farmer's part is premium is 1.5% of the sum assured. For annual commercial and horticultural crops, the farmer's part of the premium is 5%. The remaining part of the premium is paid equally by the central and state governments respectively. That was briefly about our Pmfby. Now today the Government of India approved major changes in Pmfby in this scheme, making it optional for farmers with a view to plug loopholes in the farm insurance scheme. So under the scheme, which was launched in February 2016 by PM, it is mandatory for loanee farmers to take insurance cover under this scheme. Currently 58% of the total farmers are loanee. Today, our Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar told the Union Cabinet has approved many changes in this Pmfby program as farmers' body and states were raising some concerns. The minister also said Pmfby scheme has been made optional to everyone. Also, Tomar highlighting the achievements of this scheme. Tomar said the insurance program has covered 30% of the cultivable area. The minister said insurance claim worth 60,000 crores have been cleared, while 13,000 crore premium have been collected. Friends, if you like this video, please like and share and comment. Friends, if you are watching first time our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification to your mobile. Thank you for watching.